Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Too Much Tech. Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Google Home Hub. This video is just going to be really just a quick unboxing and a sneak peek of kind of what it looks like after it is set up, some of the different clock faces and things like that. For the most part, it's literally the exact same thing as any other Google Home. You know, the Google Home Mini, the regular Google Home, and also the Google Home Max. And as well as just any product that you have that has Google Assistant. Pretty much does the same thing, just has a screen, so it's just like a tablet that's always on. Basically, this is just Google's version of the Amazon Echo Show. So same concept, does largely the same things. If you want to have it set reminders or show you recipes or show you a YouTube video or look something up and whatever, you know, it does basically everything. And now, instead of it casting to your TV, it'll just play right to the screen. You can have it cast to your TV if you want, but more or less most of the time you just want to see it on the screen because you're probably closer to it. As far as the audio goes, mainly what I use it for is just in the living room. If I don't want to use the full surround system or whatever, I just tell it to play some music and it actually sounds really, really good. Okay guys, so we got the Google Home Hub all set up now. And yeah, this is just where it's gonna be. It's gonna be next to one of the surround sound speakers. I think it looks nice on this little end table. The super minimalist clock, I think it looks pretty cool. And you tap the screen and that will pull up your whole Home Hub thing. Like you can tell it to show you a funny video, play Google Music, what's the weather. Super simple, super clean, basically the same thing as a Google Home or Google Home Mini, just with a screen. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little Google Home Hub unboxing and quick setup video. Super duper easy, just use the Google Home app, walks through everything. Catch you guys on the next one. Take care.